Speaking of the Mughal era, the biggest gift that they have given us is their rich heritage and art. I'm very privileged to say Queens has introduced the Yuvrani collection inspired by the Mughal and all the other lovely North Indian artisans' craftsmanship, and housing it in our roof is such an honor. So to start off with, this lovely piece, a pearl harem inspired by a family of sparrows sitting in a lovely tree's bark, come with a pair of matching earrings. And they also have lovely tulip motifs. This is such a stunner when you see it in person. The next piece is a lovely uncut polki and an emerald design. Very traditional design, I would say, just inspired right off a Mughal storybook. It's a lovely piece to have. They come with a pair of matching earrings. If you are a jewelry lover, you can't miss this jewelry because it's such a unique piece. A reindeer lost in the forest is what the concept of this jewelry is. It's a pearl harem. They come with a pair of matching earrings, another stunner. The Mughal era was also known for its bold statement gemstones. So this is one of such pieces, a beautiful green gemstone with polki work in the center. It's a lovely bead harem, such a stunner. Comes with a pair of matching earrings. The next piece is the statement Queen's motif, the elephant. And this is an amethyst harem with pearl work and beautiful polki work in the elephants. A lovely piece to have. They come with a pair of matching jhumkas. So pretty. Yet another bold gemstone piece. This is a square gemstone, which is a very rare cut. Very flexible necklace. It will just fall so drapey on your chest. It comes with a pair of lovely matching earrings. Very beautiful. The next piece is a simple yet very elegant moissanite-inspired necklace. This is so pretty, very intricately crafted, and they come with a pair of matching earrings. Another similar piece with a green stone in the center. They come with a pair of matching earrings as well. The next necklace is a moissanite necklace. A very on-trend piece, I would say. They come with a pair of matching earrings. It will hug your neck like a beautiful piece of art. The next piece is a lovely choker, polki and emerald work with a gorgeous bunch bead work in the bottom. They come with a pair of lovely, beautiful jhumkas. I'm so obsessed with this. I'm in love with this. If you are a fan of the Victorian fusion jewelry in North Indian style, this is such a lovely piece to have. It's a very simple yet elegant piece in a very rich maroon color. They come with a pair of matching earrings and they have polki stones in them. Very pretty piece. This piece is a very unique color to have. It's in a beautiful aqua green color, sea green color. They come with a pair of matching earrings and they will fill your neck. Just one piece is enough for any of your looks. This piece comes in another color as well. The lovely lavender color, which is the ladies' favorite of the season, I would say. It's so pretty and you need to have this piece if you are a fan of lavender. Corals have a separate set of fan base. A lot of ladies are obsessed with corals. It is actually such a unique gemstone to have. So if you've been following the Ambani's wedding, you would have seen Deepika Padukone wore a lot of statement chokers. So this is something that you can flaunt to one of your friends' weddings, just like Deepika Padukone. So it's a lovely coral choker with beautiful matching moissanite earrings. It's such a gorgeous piece, a very elegant, and it's a piece where you don't even have to try that hard. You just have to wear one of these and you will look flawless. So if you're someone who is a fan of minimal jewelry and still want to have something from the Mughal era, this is the apt piece to have. A lovely flower motif with rectangle shapes in the side, a very effortless piece. It looks so pretty worn with any of your saris, salwars or even modern outfits. This will go like a melody with it. The next piece is a beautiful fusion jewelry. Lovely mother of pearls paired with moissanite stones in very pastel shades. It's so gorgeous to have. Up next is an excellently crafted turquoise and coral hasli. A very intricately crafted, beautiful piece. They come with a matching pair of earrings as well. Last but not the least, my most favorite from the collection that I showed you, the piece I'm wearing. A Victorian-inspired stunner. A lovely choker with beautiful polki stones. So if you're a fan of polki, moissanite, North Indian, Mughal type of jewelry, do check out our website www.queensjewelry.in. We have a lot of collections loaded in it. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll be back with another video.